and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I thought I'd show you this little storage thing that I'm quite happy with, actually. For anybody that's on the Facebook group, or my Facebook group, you may well have seen this. You may well have also known that I did recently get a very big shipment from Fancels. It's not a shipment that I'm going to be doing an unboxing on camera, but it is a shipment where you will see stuff from it in videos when I find that, you know, they're interesting, they're videos I want to do, all that sort of stuff. So it's not going to be unboxings as such, but you are going to see them appear. Anyway, one of the things I did get was a passport holder. Now, I never had plans of using this as a passport holder, but I did very much like the design. I very much like the blue. I did this as a little project one evening, you know, dotting and dabbing. It's quite nice, you get the satisfaction of it being done. And then it was going to be one of those projects that I didn't quite know what I would do with it afterwards. I wasn't quite sure. However, the next painting that I went to work on had these cover sheets. So if you've been watching my channel for a while, sorry, I'm just trying to reach to my pegboard behind and get hold of something. I bought a pack of, I think I bought a pack of 50 of these like cover release papers. So they're waxy on both sides. You can use them to replace either the opaque covers on the double-sided tape diamond paintings or the clear covers on the poured glue paintings. You can use it to replace either. And they come in about a 6x4 inch size, so roughly the size of a photograph. There's a few millimetres in it. I've been using these on a few paintings recently, but I like the size that is actually half of one of these. I find that this is a nice size to do on a diamond painting. It's sort of, you know, it's about an hour or maybe just over an hour worth of diamond painting, depending on whether it's round, squares, confetti or not. But I find this is a nice size. Quite often I'll do one of these in an evening. Occasionally I'll do two, but that's the size that I like to cover it in. And I went to work on one of these after doing this and realised that I can fit them in here. So they fit really well. I've got loads of that size in either side of this. And when I took one off a painting, because I was going to work on that section, I could just slip it in the side, store my cover release papers. They don't get dusty, they don't pick up bits of fluff like they can do if they're left out. And yeah, whenever I need any more for a painting, I've got a pretty holder for them. So I just thought I'd let you all see it. One, to see it finished, but second, to see, you know, that you don't have to use things for what they're intended for. We did only pick up one of these, which my daughter is a little bit gutted because she now wants one for holding her cover release paper in. So yeah, we'll have to pick up another one soon. But yeah, handy little storage idea for anybody that does use these cover sheets. Of course, they don't fit the big one unless, of course, you want them to get folded. But personally, I prefer the smaller ones anyway, and this is the perfect size. This is actually from a few different paintings. I've just got a nice little stash of them now, but there's room for loads more before it gets too full. I think I will seal this. I have recently had a video up on using this sealer, and it seemed to do really well. So with this being high traffic, i.e. in and out of my little craft tub, and there being a little bit of overhang of some sticky, I think I am going to give this a coat of sealer. I'm currently working on a painting with an opaque cover, so I've not actually put these on it. So I think I'm going to give this a coat of sealer and leave it to dry in my craft room, and then it'll be ready for the next painting I need them for. So yes, you may see this in lots more videos to come on kitting up, or well, kitting up more than kitting down, because of course I take them off as I'm doing it. But thank you so much for watching. I will pop a link to all of them down below, so the category for passport holders, in case it's something that you're interested. But thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.